Hello guys, and today we're going to play Roblox. In Roblox today, no, that's a boring game. So my brother is playing. So okay. So leave the game and join me.
Yeah, I joined you.
Because I'm going on
Piggy. Let's play Piggy.
Piggy.
I got it right.
Yes, you got it right.
What you playing?
Okay, Piggy, come on. Okay.
Piggy! I got a nice piggy on my head. I got a nice piggy on my head.
Yeah. Piggy.
Yeah. And you know what game we have? We have Sonic the Hedgehog. No, number 2.
No two. By Minitoon, yeah. Okay, you join me, Soham.
Huh?
Join me once I'm in the game.
Okay. Now I'm gonna write an obbies. Which obbies is this? Zero people.
Okay.
Mama, 11 people are playing this.
Oh, okay, but join me. You join me.
Yeah, I'm joining.
Okay, so.
Oh, okay, Gavin. You said I can call you Gavin in the video, so
Okay.
I can say. Oh my God, that is creepy out. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God. I wish I can have Piggy to kill the bad guys. Join 7. Oh, okay, join 7.
No. Okay, you join my game.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm here.
Piggy's near.
Huh?
Piggy's near.
Where is he?
Okay, follow me. Come, follow me. Come, follow me. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay, go upstairs.
Yeah.
I got. Hey.
Hey, follow me.
No, okay, you go wherever you want, and I go wherever I want.
No,
Okay?
I'll follow you.
Yay! I killed Pig. I gave that to the I crate. A green key, I think.
Wait for me.
I might know where
Hey,
the
Gavin,
green.
wait for me. Gavin, wait for me.
Okay, yeah, I am. Wait. Okay, do you? Oh, purple key, purple.
I need the orange key.
Pig is right there. Run!
Yeah.
He's gonna come. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Quick! Okay. It's coming for you, Soham. Run. It's coming for you. Run, Soham.
I got the orange key. Purple key for the gun, dude.
I know. Oh, he's here. Okay, where's the purple? Where's the purple one?
I'll go there. No. Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
Oh, there. Gun. No, gun. No.
I know. Piggy's right there.
Okay, Papa, where the orange key goes, guys? Here. Go run away. Run.
It's coming.
Where's the gray key?
Huh? Uh-oh. That piggy's coming. I mean, that whatever it's called. Okay, run. Dude, no, that way. We're gonna get you.
Which way?
Come in here.
Bullet.
I know. Hide. Hide. Oh.
What
Okay.
was that?
I don't know.
Can we go inside this?
No. You can't.
Huh? Wait, go inside one time. Move! Move, guys.
Should I go inside?
Yeah. One time.
Then I will. If...
Done.
No, I died. See, I told you.
Well, what time?
I oofed.
Me too.
You oofed?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Let's expect other people. So is that? Oh, okay. That's me. There's only 1, 2. No, wait. Okay. Oh, that's close. Dun 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 dun.
One more people. One more people is safe over there. Oh, I can see Piggy. Oh my god. Look. Baba, he just went inside where the Mickey Mouse was.
I know. Okay, let's.
Gavin,
Oh, that was so close.
what?
Get away.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Look. He's coming. He's coming, Baba. Gavin. Oh my. What?
Wait, can I see?
Gavin, look.
I had the purple key.
Okay, get that.
Okay, game over. I don't know.
Okay, I'm leaving the game
Why?
because I got a cool game. Okay, can you join me?
No.
Please? Please?
No.
Please? Please?
Okay, so I just need to okay, fine, I'll join you.
Look, Gavin. That's what. Do you know who have that dark corner is Gavin?
I know.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. So okay guys, I hope you like the video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification.
No.
I like.
I pressed the bar.
Bye. Yeah, boy.
Okay, join me.